Hello, hello, and welcome back to my channel po. Kamusta ang tanan? Welcome back to Jai and Jerry. Basta po, I hope nasa mabuting kalagayan kayo ngayon. I hope everyone is doing fine and well. For today's video, i-share ko po sa inyo yung requirements na sinubmit ko po sa USCIS when I applied for adjustment of status dito po sa US. So for those who doesn't know, my name is Jade. I am originally from Cagayan de Oro City, Bisaya ko. Married and living now in Pensacola, Florida. I got here through a K1 fiancé visa 9 months ago po. Just a quick recap, I applied adjustment of status back in October of 2023. And I applied concurrently with I-765 or the Employment Authorization and I-131 or the Travel Parole. It's been 5 months na po since I applied. My Employment Authorization and my Travel Parole has been approved back in December. And now, I'm still waiting for my green card to get approved. 5 months na po akong naghihintay. Wala pa rin po akong green card. No rush anyway. So, today po, ito po yung mga requirements. I already made a video about my adjustment of status, how I applied it. Please check the video. And this is just an update. Ito po yung mga requirements na sinubmit ko po sa USCIS nung nag-apply ako ng adjustment of status. And this is how I arranged that. Please watch this video. So, ito na po yung cover page na nilagay ko sa documents na sinubmit ko po sa USCIS for my adjustment of status. Dito po nilagay ko po yung full name ko, yung married name ko, address, mobile number, email, tsaka yung alien registration form. Date kung kailan po ninyo ginawa yung packet. So, this is the address po kung saan po nabilong yung Florida. Dito ko po pinadala yung adjustment of status packet namin. So, nature of submission, immediate relative, spouse, family-based adjustment of status application. Filing concurrently with application of employment authorization, application for travel document, tsaka affidavit of support po na pinirmahan po ni husband as my sponsor. So, dito, nilagay ko po, in-state ko po dito kung kailan ako dumating, saan ako dumating, ganyan. And then, kung kailan kami kinasal, ito po. And then herewith are the enclosed forms I-485, 765, Affidavit of Support, the 864, I-864, and then the 131 po. With their corresponding supporting documents, packet folders for your reference. And yan. Make sure po that you do not forget to sign here. Sincerely, sign and then nilagay nyo po yung name nyo sa baba. Ito naman po yung nilagay ko sa loob ng packet ng I-485 ko po. Ito po yung nilagay ko. Same thing, name of applicant, address, ayan. And then hanapin nyo po sa USCIS website, official website po nila kung saan po nabilong yung, kung saang address po or USCIS address nabilong po yung state ninyo. And since I am from Florida, ito po yung nilagay ko. And then, here, application for adjustment of status of immediate spouse. Now, to whom it may concern, ito po yung requirements na nilagay ko. Filing fee and biometrics fee po, ito po yung binayaran ko, 1,225. Mag-i-increase na po sila effective April 1 of this year po, 2024. So, please make sure. And then here, lagyan nyo po ng G1145. G1145 po is the e-notification of application ito po. And then yung 485 na nakapirma po namin ni husband or may pirma ko po. Dalawang passport size photos, nilagyan ko po ng pangalan tsaka alien number sa likod po ng picture. And then a copy of the following. By the way, make sure that all the documents you submit are in short bond paper. So ito po yung mga supporting documents na nilagay ko. These are all scanned copy, photocopies lang po. Beneficiaries passport bio page. Ito po lahat yung sinubmit ko for the supporting document ko sa I-485 ko. Ang nilagay ko po dito is I-797, yung know what to ko po. Ito po, here. And vaccination document worksheet, yung pong binigay ni St. Luke's po sa inyo kung saan nakalagay po yung mga immunization ninyo, pwede na pong hindi nyo nalagyan yung COVID Vax cert po kasi naka-indicate naman doon sa likod ng form ng vaccination document worksheet po kung ano po, kung if you are vaccinated with COVID-19 vaccine. And then yung NVC letter, marriage certificate namin, passport bio page ko, tsaka ni partner or ni husband, and then our photos together po. And ito, nilagyan ko po. Make sure that you signed every page of it po. Here, this is for the I-765 po or the employment authorization po. Ito po yung cover letter ko. Ang requirements lang na nilagay ko is yung G1145 which you can find sa USCIS website. And then, yung form mismo, 765, make sure that you sign it. Dalawang passport size again, and photocopies po ng passport bio page, K1 with K1 visa stamp, I-94 travel or arrival and departure record, marriage certificate, and notice of action to an NVC. Again, sign here. Para naman po sa travel document, ito po yung requirements na sinubmit ko. Again, G1145 and I filed it in order. Ayan, yung form mismo, yung I-131 or the application of travel document. Again, passport or 2x2 passport size photo and photocopies na po ito lahat. Signed. And ito po, yung proof of relationship namin, ginanito ko lang po siya kasi bawal po yung mga, anong tawag, yung actual digital copy ng mga photos. So, ganito po yung sinubmit ko sa kanila. I think I have about 6 photos here. Or 6 pages pala. Here, proof of relationship nung dumating ako sa Atlanta Airport. Dumating kami sa bahay the next day. Kasal namin nung September. Sa courthouse lang po kami kinasal. And then, ito po yung mga day-to-day life na po namin dito sa US ni husband. Nilagay ko po yung fishing namin, pag nag-fishing kami. These are my travels. Nung nagpunta kami sa Arkansas to visit his dad on his birthday and my birthday as well. This was back in July. Ito naman po yung mga photos namin, road trips namin together ni husband since I got here. Ayan po yung proof of relationship namin. Ito. So yun po lahat ng mga requirements na sinubmit ko po sa USCIS for my adjustment of status application. So just an additional requirement, if you have a joint account, a bank account po with your husband, please include it as well, or you can include it as well as a supporting document. And if you have an insurance, you can include it as well. Those are the things that I did not include because back then, nung nag-apply kami, wala pa po akong SSN. Sinabay ko na po yung pag-apply ng SSN ko with my adjustment of status. So, wala pa akong bank account that time. Meron na akong insurance pero hindi namin nasali yung insurance. Nakalimutan ko po yung insurance. You can include that as well if you like to or if you want to. And also, just a reminder po, please include the most recent federal income tax return ng husband ninyo kasi dyan po kami na RFE. Hindi po nasali ni husband yung most recent federal income tax return niya. And yan din po yung mga reason na nakikita ko sa mga na-RFE po dito sa adjustment of status nila. So please include that as well. So I think that's it for today's video. Requirement of adjustment of status. By the way po, do not forget, please visit the USCIS website for more information, important reminders about how to apply for adjustment of status, more instructions po. Nandoon po lahat sa website nila. This is the official website of USCIS. Meron din po nakalagay doon yung mga instructions, requirements, additional important details, mga ganyan, and kung saan nyo po isasubmit yung document niyo, depende po kung saang state kayo nabilong. So please visit their website. And read everything po. Check as well the edition date ng form because there might be changes. And by the way, April 1, 2024, I think it's effective na po April 1, 2024, mag-i-increase na po yung fee ng adjustment of status, employment authorization, and travel parole. So please check that one at the website and research nyo po siya. So ayun, I hope makatulong ito sa lahat po ng mag-a-adjust pa lang ng status nila. And yeah, good luck po sa inyo. I hope ma-approve na din po yung green card ninyo. So thank you very much po. I think that's it for today's video. I hope makatulong itong video na ito sa lahat po ng mga nag-a-adjust ng status nila dito sa US po, especially for the K1 fiancé visa. Anyways, just a reminder po, I am not affiliated with any government agency nor working as an immigrant attorney. I am not a legal expert or a professional. I am only sharing based from my own experience lang po. Visit their website and read and understand po. If you're not sure with it, you ask your husband if meron kayong mga hindi naintindihan. Kasi ganyan din po ako. Pag hindi ko siya naiintindihan, tinatanong ko siya husband, or sometimes I am confused or I'm not 100% sure. Just for confirmation, tinatanong ko po si husband. Alright, thank you so much po for watching. Sa hindi pa po nakasubscribe, please subscribe. Please like and share this video, especially po sa if you have or if you know someone that is currently processing their visa. Maraming salamat po, and I hope to see you on my next vlog. Bye!